We have a question over here. Question says that two point charges are separated by distance d, repel each other with a force of 9 Newton. So 2 point charges are separated by d distance, and the force of repulsion is 9 Newton. If the separation becomes 3d, then the force of repulsion will be okay. So that is equal to k. I'm calling this as q1 q2. Okay. So k q1 q2 by d square. The value of this will be 9 Newton. If the separation increased 3 times, that is this separation becomes 3d now, the force of repulsion they are asking. So k q1 q2 remains the same by 3d whole square. Now let's divide. 9 by f dash is equal to k q1 q2 by d square. Okay, multiplied by k q1 q2 by 9d square. So k q1 q2 cancel out, 9 cancel out, f dash comes out to be f only. Okay, even if you are increasing the separation by 3 times, force obviously get f by 3. Okay, so it will be only 9 by f dash we have written. Okay, because initial the force is 9 Newton. So now uh, after increasing the distance 3 times, force remains the same. Okay, k q1 q2 by d square, so we can say 9 by f dash is equal to k q1 by q2 by d square, and here it is k q1 q2 by d square. Instead of d we have 9d square. 9 cancel out, so f dash is coming out to be f only. That means the correct answer is actually, if the distance is increased, from here we can say the f is inversely proportional to d square. Okay, that means if separation is increased by 3 times, between the separation becomes 3d. Okay, so if the separation increased by 3 times, so f should be decreased by 9 times. That should be 1 Newton actually. Okay, so there's a this will be solved by this approach. Okay, that if we can say f is inversely proportional to d square, if d is increased by 3 times, then force should be decreased by 9 times. Correct? If I have increased from separation from d to 3d, force will be decreased from f to f dash. F dash will be f by 9. F is 9 by 9, that is 1 Newton. So the correct answer will be option number 1. Hope this answered your question. Thank you very much.